So the best speakers to use on this car, from a few reasons, is the Steg M VW 7C, because they are direct fit for the car and they are excellent as well. They have this massive 1.5 inch tweeter that fits directly into the tweeter section, and two massive 7.5 inch woofers, and they look like this beautiful fit. The surrounds has been re-riveted, so riveted before, riveted now. It's a plug from the car, comes to it from here. On this occasion, this one doesn't seem to fit 100%, but we'll just pin it to the connectors directly, so this still stays uncut. And the job exactly right now is ongoing on the other side. And that's how we're going to be fitting the amp.